up, guys? Mike here at Trader at True Trading Group. August 2nd, we are closing the week off strong. Really good follow through to the downside today on the SPY. If you guys saw my video yesterday, you know that I bought the 295 strike August 2nd expiration put options in the SPY yesterday. I took the bulk of my position off the table yesterday for a 68% gain and held on to some of that position for a swing trade into today. And I closed out that position, guys, for a 147% gain. I bought those contracts yesterday at $1.37 a contract. I got flat today at $3.39 a contract. That's a 147% gain. But we also added an intraday day trade on the 292.50 strike put options as well. This was a very textbook clean setup. I mean, we really nailed this thing in chat. So many people took it. We had people that were buying the TVIX. We had people that were buying the put options. I mean, this was just a really good trade. And we really got exactly what we were looking for. It's such a beautiful thing when you have a game plan and it works exactly to a T. Talked about it yesterday. If you guys missed my video yesterday, check out the video yesterday. I said that I was holding on to those put options from yesterday, looking for a gap down below yesterday's low today. Can't get back above it, and then we rolled it over. That is exactly what we got on the SPY today. It was textbook. It gave us the opportunity to add to the position, and we were able to ride this down and add a 102% gain intraday. So I bought the 292.50 put options today. Okay, I bought them at 84 cents a contract, and my final take profit $1.70. Okay, that's a 102% gain. So this was a big day today, and it was just textbook, guys. It was the only thing I traded today. I focused on the SPY. I didn't trade anything else, and it really was a thing of beauty and was a great way to close out the week. So if you missed my video yesterday, please go back, watch it, check it out, because it'll give you some context to what I'm about to talk about with these two different trades. So again, it was two trades, two different strike prices, same put option on the SPY. So, I mean, same expiration put option on the SPY. So let's get to the chart. We'll start with yesterday's trade. Okay, yesterday's trade, I got the 295 strike put options. I bought them right there. Okay, right there is when I bought them. I took profits off into this move. Okay, this is when I took profits off from yesterday, and then I held on to about 20% of the position looking for a gap down. Okay, so that's the part that you got to go back and watch the video from yesterday on to see about how I executed the trade yesterday. And today we were looking for a gap down below yesterday's low. Okay, this is textbook, guys, and you can see we find resistance at yesterday's low. We could not get back above yesterday's low, and as soon as we put this high in, let me zoom this in, as soon as we got rejected right there, you can see we got rejected at yesterday's low. You also have the trade line coming into effect. That trade line creates an area of resistance, and bang, we get a new low of the day. Right here on this action, I said, okay, guys, this trade looks like we're going to trigger. We should have some more room to the downside. I'm going to look to actually buy some more put options on this trade. And on this little bounce back right up into this trade line view up crossover, right here is where I bought the 292.50 strike put options at 84 cents. I'll take you guys to my trade announcements. Here you guys can see at 9:53 a.m. bought the 292.50 8-2 expiration put option at 84 cents. Okay, back here, the whole reason why I'm entering the put options on this trade is because we just got rejected at yesterday's low. Exactly what we were looking for. This is exactly what we talked about for our game plan on this trade. Trade line came into play. Gave me that extra area of resistance, new low. So I know this resistance is significant because it pushed the market to a new low. We try to bounce back up, and what do we get? A beautiful trade line VWAP crossover to the downside. Right there was my entry at 84 cents. You see the trade line then starts to act as a nice area of resistance and just pushes the market lower. I mean, look at this trade line resistance, guys. Just continues to push the market lower and lower and lower. And I just start peeling my profits off the table. Back to my trade announcements, you guys can see I took some profits off at $1.10. At 10.12, I took the bulk of my position off at $1.34. And my final take profit just after 10.36 at $1.70. So 10.36, let's go back. Here's my final take profit, guys. Let me delete these circles so it's not too confusing. Okay, so 1036 right there. Okay, there was the final take profit on the 292.50s. Okay, so that was the 100 and excuse me, 102% gain. All right, and then I held on to the 295 still. Back to my trade announcements, and you guys can see I still have the 295s. So at 11:11 a.m., my final take profit on the 295 strike. This is from yesterday's entry. Okay, I bought these at $1.37 yesterday. That's the video that you got to check out from yesterday if you didn't see it. And there it is, $3.39 for my final take profit on that swing trade, which is a 147% gain. And that took place right there. Okay, so there's the entry yesterday.
All right, it is power hour. Let's see what closes strong.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. We still have chat open, and that was Jason that just came on the microphone, so I forgot to mute my sound because it's 3 p.m. and that was Jason coming on, letting everybody know that it's power hour. So sorry about that. Anyway, so there's the entry on the 295s. Okay, and here are the take profits on the 295 strikes. 1, 2, 3. And then now here I will show you guys the entry on the 292.50s.
You know, this 292.
Okay, and the take profits. Okay,
are same area. So we have a map out plan for it. Just trading sideways here.
Okay, and there they are.
I'm not doing much.
All right, this is a beautiful, beautiful textbook trade, guys. You know, it all stems from the game plan that we talked about, holding on to the position yesterday, looking for further downside. We talked about yesterday also that getting 2 consecutive days of back-to-back high-volume selling pressure like we saw in the market. I said I do not think that the market is going to be able to sustain that selling pressure and just absorb all that selling pressure. I think you've got to drift lower. As I pan this out, this is what I'm talking about, guys. You had 2 days
maybe next week
of back-to-back, very, very high volume
let's see what closes
selling
strong
pressure.
So far, cannabis sector been on
I said to myself, I can't imagine that the market is just going to absorb all of that selling pressure and just snap right back. I said, I think we got to go lower. I think the market's going to fade this morning, and we got the gap down. Guys, please watch the video from yesterday because this is exactly what we talked about yesterday happening. Gap down below yesterday's low, can't get back above, roll it over, go down, test that 50-day moving average. When I take it to a daily chart, there it is, guys. We actually broke down below the 50-day moving average here today and went down and tested the 292.50 area. I mean, just a real thing of beauty. Okay, just a real thing of beauty. It got lower than that actually. Low, yep, 291. So 290.90 is the low of the day there. All right. I mean, this was a real nice trade, you know, right from that game plan, and we capitalized on it. We jumped all over it. So, guys, I love when the SPY is in play like this. I really do. It's I mean, when the SPY has this kind of range, there's so much opportunity, and it's one of my fortes. It's definitely something that I excel in is having a good feel for the overall market when it's in play. And when the SPY is moving around, I attack it. That's where the opportunity is. That's where it's been for the last couple of days. Huge range on the SPY. You can be trading the TVIX. Many members traded the TVIX off of this trade idea. Some people held it overnight. Some people bought it and traded it intraday today. It was just awesome. Really awesome. So, guys, do me a favor. If you like the content, give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe, flick that little notification button. Okay, I appreciate all the YouTube love. This is a great way to finish out the week. I hope everyone has a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you all in chat on Monday. Take care.